I lose my phone so many times. So 2 months ago, my daughter decided to buy the key thing, the ringer.
Mhm.
So I press my key, my phone rings. I know where it is. This time around, I don't know where it is. All right, you're done with the first one.
I'm done. I think so.
Don't kill your benzylic carbon.
Yeah, I kept it. Thank God.
And then something new. That's an SN2. Don't kill your benzylic carbon.
And now we have a new carbon from that.
Yeah, and that's one way I told you to add carbons. It's either Grignard, Wyrick. Grignard with CO2, Wyrick, CN. Let's see. So here I believe we're going to get that nitrile carbon being a carboxylic acid. Then in the same acidic conditions with methanol, we are making an ester.
Okay.
Did you get there?
It was the ester that killed me. I was like, where do I put that? See, I'm just like overthinking. I don't know why. Like, I know how to do this.
Yeah.
I'm just like, maybe my brain.
Don't overthink. We did a lot of fish esterification when we were practicing for the exam.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do the next one.
Okay. Have you done the second one or not yet?
I'm doing it right now. Isn't the. So I did it, but like, I'm confused with how to use Wittig because I thought ZnHCl gets rid of the carbonyl. Or am I wrong?
No, that one does not. That one, that's a reagent for. That's a reagent for ozonolysis. What you're talking about is zinc, mercury,
Oh, okay. I've never seen it with
HCl.
a 3 before because we usually just use like, I don't even know, DMS.
Yeah, you can use DMS. Yeah.
That's why. Okay. Then yeah, I'm done. I know how to do it otherwise.
All right. So step one should give me this. Not really. That is step two. Right. So step one should give me a bromine somewhere, I don't know where, but it has to be ZF, almost on more substituted carbon, I mean.
Okay.
And then we have no choice. I think here I shouldn't have given it butoxide because I was going for
Oh, like
the
Zaitsev instead of
Zaitsev.
nothing.
Yeah. Did you do the?
I did Zaitsev because I knew how it was gonna cut. So
Yeah.
I just
Still,
did.
even outside it would have cut. But if you're given this, your double should have been outside. But
Okay.
that was not my intention. I'm just letting you know, if it's the bulky base, you'll put the double outside and you'll have two products.
Okay.
So let's assume you have this. Then it gives you that. Then we can cut this. And then either of these will do a Wirit to give you this.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
I'm so scared. You have no
Yet you're
idea.
answering. Yet
I
you're
just don't.
answering them correct.
I just want to be done with it. I want to stop thinking about it because I'm so like stressed out about it. I just don't know how I'm gonna sit there for 4 hours. It's a long time.
It's good you have enough time to recheck your
And
work and remember things you forgot,
yeah,
Yeah.
what I did last year is I literally took a 5-minute break, and I still finished early. So I can always do that if it like gets to be too much.
Yeah. Let's try that. See how far you go. As I build toward 20 and 21. See what the syllabus said here.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so these two are usually a block of reagents that cut this to give me 2 carboxylic acids. Okay, from here to here is step 1 and 2. Convert that to a chloride. That is step 3. And step 4 is substitution. We make an anhydride.
Yeah, I got that.
Good. Yet you're saying you don't know.
I'm so scared. You have
I'll
no
keep
idea.
proving to you that you have the information, and in the moment that information will come out of that small brain.
It's very, very small brain.
Dibol,
Can we do an example with like the dye ball thing too?
okay.
Yeah.
Let me think of something
Wait.
first that will get me there.
I have a question. So with the dye ball, that's only for esters, and then the one that's like LiAlOR3, that's for only acid chlorides, or like they're
No, that one
interchangeable.
can also react with the ester to alcohol.
Okay.
Dibol
But
just stops it to the aldehyde.
can the dye ball react with the acid chloride, or are they just specific to each?
For acid chloride, you'll use this one.
Yeah.
How do we write it? tat butyl something. The bulky lithium aluminum hydride.
It was like LiAlOR3.
I don't know if it's OTBU3. The bulky lithium aluminum hydride, that's the one
Okay.
that
For
converts acid chloride to aldehyde.
Okay.
As long as you see a funny LiAlH,
Yeah.
you know you're reacting with acid chloride to get aldehyde. But dibo it will be ester
Okay.
to aldehyde. Okay. What was I doing? Just a moment, I forgot. I know what I was doing. This dibo usually is negative 78 degrees. Most people don't say.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm so confused. How does this, like, maybe I'm being stupid, but how does this ketone turn into an epoxide? Like, I wrote something, but I don't think it's right.
No, that's wrong. You forgot the reaction we're talking about here. I think that's chapter 19, if I'm not wrong.
I have no idea.
Okay, so the first thing, I'll guide you. That's why I'm here, to show you things you might have overlooked.
See, this is what I'm worried about with the exam. It's like you can use MCPBA for so many different things.
Okay, this is the clue.
Okay.
Do you know how to do that? Or should I continue showing you?
Doesn't it just get rid of the ketone? Am I wrong?
No. We talked about migratory aptitude and we say that the phenol ring is the one
I
to receive an oxygen.
Oh my god, okay.
So there was nothing to do about getting rid of the carbon.
Yeah, I see. I literally did this today.
Okay, so now that's a reminder to take.
And then
Be careful.
I was gonna say, like, I don't understand how an epoxide can use the dibol to.
Hey, they can give you MCPBA, they can give you CF3OH, or they can just say peroxyacid. Whichever way, it means the same thing. The Bayer villager reaction, I think that was 19. Don't know if I still have that.
Yeah, I did it today. I should have known that. Can you show me what the final product is?
Okay, so reduction, we usually cut here. The carbonyl side is the one that's gonna be, it's gonna be the aldehyde. This falls off as an alcohol.
Oh, so the answer is literally just an aldehyde. Okay.
Both of them are organic products that must be drawn. So if you can find a way to find the aldehyde, then you know the other side will be an alcohol. So now is that back to your head?
Yes. I completely forgot. Okay.
Now you remember. Let me grab something here that I know.
I think because I'm used to seeing it as the
Seriously need.
RPO3H and not MCPBA, but they literally do the exact same thing. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. So mix things up. That's what you said last time, that you discovered that several reagents do several things like H2O plus.
Yeah. Oh my god, H2O plus is everything.
Yeah. Do I want to use that? Yeah. And then and then and then and then just kill everything off with water. Step 6 is not major. So these are mixture of chapters. I think 11 is in there. Then EAS is in there. NAS is in there.
Okay, I
And
did
the
it.
organic one is in there. It's a block of a question.
I think I got it right.
Your answer should be this. Okay, then I get rid of this. And I put my 2 carbons. Did you get that?
I deleted the frickin'.
What did you do?
I took away the oxygen, and I don't know why.
Why?
I thought the NaH. This is
Look,
from the most recent chapter, right?
no, this is yes. So you have a chloride, you put a nitro, and then from this time onward,
I
okay,
thought the
so
NaH was gonna protonate the OH to make it a water to make it a good leaving group, and then swap it out.
now OH kicks out a chlorine para or ortho to NO2. This is
Yeah.
nucleophilic aromatic substitution. Just a moment. And phenols are known to be acidic, so you expect that the sodium hydride will take away the hydrogen. You still have your NO2 there, and then from here you'll do your SN2.
I just was using the wrong thing.
This is how we make heaters. Let me get this done. I think this boy is coming out. Make your corrections. Put a star on the reactions you forgot. Alright, let me check your notes again. So which part did you not get right? This one?
It was the
nucleophilic
NaH.
aromatic substitution?
No, it was literally just the NaH. I got everything else
Did
right.
you get here?
Yeah.
So this one is the Williamson ether synthesis. We talked about that.
Yeah.
By SN2.
Okay. I'm so nervous. I don't want to do this.
Like you have a choice.
I wish I did, because I wouldn't take it if I did.
You're talking like you have a choice. You know you don't.
I know. Oh my god, you're gonna give me a deal solder?
Mm-hmm.
I did a lot of these today.
Which means you're prepared, right?
Hopefully. My like
You're
iPad
prepared
is
for what I'm showing here.
Oh, I don't know how to do that.
How do you know you don't know? You've not tried. Do number 5 first.
We don't do things like that, and my like iPad's not working. Hold on.
You'll have to refresh.
It's like my pencil's not working, and I can't do this without it.
Your pencil has also almost gotten tired of organic.
Yeah, I've never had this problem before. I don't know what happened. Hold on. I have to figure this out because I can't do anything until this thing works. I don't know what happened.
You can't restart it. You save your file first, then restart.
Yeah, my file is good. It's the pencil.
Oh, you can't even save because it's frozen.
It's just like my iPad's fine. It's the pencil is disconnected, and that's never happened before. And it's charged. Okay, let's see. Ugh, I got it. Okay. I almost had a heart attack.
Sometimes they just need to.
This is not the week for this to happen. Okay, I did it.
Okay, so I usually, as usual, A, B, C, D, E, F, then connect A to F, E to D, this goes over. And the other piece. You got it.
Is it bad if I didn't put it on with stereochemistry?
Yeah, you will not get full points. If you have a new chiral center and the molecule is not meso, it's good to show the stereochemistry.
I don't get chiral centers. We don't need to go into this, but this has two CH2 groups directly next to it. How is that chiral? So I thought it had to be bonded to different
See,
things.
if you cut across like this, you see that those carbons are different. And then you have the hydrogen.
Let's see it.
Group 1, maybe this will be 2, this will be 3, and this will be 4 because of the double bond.
Okay. And then can you do the next one with me? I've never done a problem like that.
Okay, so
Like,
this is retrosynthesis. I usually identify the side of the dienophile. Opposite to it should be the double bond that landed here. So just take it back where it came from. It came from here. So we take it back, and this is a new bond. It needs to go back where it came from. That's a new bond. It needs to go back where it came from. So ideally, you're cutting this and this.
oh, okay.
We're going to have a triple bond dienophile on
Yeah,
that
I
side.
figured because they're two pi bonds.
Yeah,
Like,
so the trick was to identify where the what am I saying? Let's see. To identify where the dienophile is.
okay. Okay. Wait, and I have like another random question. So I'll know if it's aldol condensation if there's heat, and if there's not heat,
You stop at the
stick to the.
aldo.
Okay.
You stop at the beta hydroxy.
Okay, got it. I just wanted to make sure I had that down because I feel
It's
like that's something
coming.
I'm
It's
about.
coming. It's coming. It's coming.
I like know how to do all of this stuff. I just feel like I don't. It's
I
really
know we
frustrating.
left this on this one. Let's see if you remember what I told you, the trick to solve this.
Yeah.
These are the kind of the predict the. No wonder he has so many points for predict the products. He has a lot to ask. Stimulating.
Yeah.
He really has a lot to ask.
Okay, I think I did it. The first one at least.
Okay, so firstly I determine I have a 6 pi electron involved. So this is gonna be forbidden or disallowed.
So you switch it.
So whatever stereochemistry I have, this is out. So whatever I do, I have to just make them trans or anti. Let me first move my double bonds.
So 6 photo switch.
Yeah, it's not divisible by 4.
Okay. 6 photo switch.
So I'll go put this here, put this here, put this here. And then one metal group is gonna be,
Okay, I did that. Thank God. I was so. I didn't
yeah,
think I
this
got.
one now, you'll have to show the enantiomer. It's
Okay.
not miso. Then we'll do the next one.
I wish I could like see the exam right now. Like I just want to know what's. Like I'm just like thinking it.
You're like, I can't wait, I can't wait. Give it to me. Let me see. Let me see what you're asking. Uh, what will help is you going to that bed,
I know I'm going to
maybe
sleep.
shower, go to bed and sleep. You've done your part, my friend. You've done your part.
Oh, okay, I do the next one. I still have three finals after this one, so it's not like I'm done
It's
after
not like
this.
you're done, yeah.
It's alright.
I know. So this is out, this is in. I keep the empty.
So if this was photo, I would switch them. So would they both have to be on
Same
wedges? Okay.
dash away. So let's put it here. And this time I'm not going to say plus enantiomer because it's miso.
Okay. I had to
So
come up with like a jingle. 6 heat keep,
yeah.
6 photo switch. That's what I
Uh,
got going
but
over
what if
here.
they give you 8?
8 is just the opposite of those. So if you keep with heat for 6, you switch with heat for 4 and 8.
Yeah, because it's divisible by 4.
I'll have to do the next one.
So this next one, I want you to follow this sequence.
Am I going to use that as like a protecting group?
Yeah. No, I don't want that. That's gonna remove it.
It was like a beautiful day all day, and it's like storming right now.
Already? So
Yeah,
the
it wasn't.
storm came from here and went towards you. Uh,
I like heard the wind. I was like, "What's going on out there?"
yeah.
Do you think he's gonna like primarily test us on like the niche rules that there are for like all of these? Because that's what I'm worried about.
Test you on
There's so,
what?
huh?
Which rules?
Like, I don't even remember the one I was thinking about. Oh, with like dynes, how like the trans is better than the cis, and certain things don't react if it's in the cis formation.
That one would be in a ranking problem. But you
Is there anything
you
I
already
like?
know the answer, so no problem.
Okay. Is there anything I like need to keep on my radar that like you know I'm gonna be tested on?
No. The moment he said it's cumulative, you just prepare globally.
I have a dumb question. Am I protecting the ester or the ketone?
Which one is more reactive? You tell me.
The ketone.
Thank you.
Protect the ketone,
Yes.
or else it's gonna react with it.
The most reactive is the one that's gonna react first.
Got it.
Mm.
And the what? Wait, can you do it?
Hmm?
I'm stuck.
Yes, tag. Okay.
With the CO2 and H3O plus, like I know what it does. Does it just convert it to a carboxylic acid? Like that's all I'm thinking.
I'll get there and see what's where you are. Esther survives. I get an alcohol. Step 2, 3.
Okay.
That's to be alkoxide, then alcohol.
Yeah.
PBr3, this is the very first chapter you did. Converts it to a bromine.
I did that.
Once the bromine is there, I make my grignard. That's why we protected the ketone.
Yeah.
MgBr. And here comes CO2. CO2, I told you, is a ketone in disguise.
So it does make it carboxylic acid.
Yes. It's one way of adding a carbon, I told you. If it's so asked somehow in the synthesis problem, you know you can always use a CO2 to add one carbon, especially if you are heading towards a carboxylic acid derivative.
Okay.
So that gives you a negative, but you know that after H2O plus, it's gonna be a hydrogen. You're so lucky you did not do the chapter on amines.
Thank God, yeah.
That
I would
chapter
be
has a
way more.
lot of reactions that are organic one.
I feel like I know nothing. I know a lot, but I feel like,
Uh,
oh my
did
God,
you
so
remember to deprotect? Because you're not done here.
I didn't because I wasn't given anything to do it.
H2O plus is what does
Oh,
it.
that doesn't go with the CO2 to protonate.
It protonates the CO2 at the same time.
I was gonna say I thought we could get rid of.
I told you H2O plus is one of those wild reagents. It can do so many things.
Okay.
So H2O plus again is gonna deprotect.
Okay. I'm scared.
I know, but I want you to do me a favor. Be a little bit scared, not too much.
Right now I could like throw up. I'm so scared. I just like I thought I would feel more prepared, but I also don't think I'll ever feel prepared for this exam because of how much content is on it.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
sorry.
It's not your fault.
It's my fault and my fellow organic chemistry people.
Yeah, it's my professor's fault. I think I just like I know enough where like I think I can like BS my way out of like a bad situation. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you'll find your way. I'm telling you, in the moment, you're going to surprise yourself.
Yeah. I mean, I surprised myself on the last final, and that one I really shouldn't have done well on because I didn't do that good at the one.
Are you hearing yourself? Yet you still did well on it.
Yeah.
Okay, try that.
Oh, this one's easy.
It should be very easy if you remember step 2 and 3.
I do. The rainy nickel just makes it all go away. Let me get an alkene.
Yeah, it's just like doing zinc mercury or Wolf Kishner. You can do that or you do Clemenson.
Clemenson is the like ZNHG, HCl
Yes.
and heat.
Mm-hmm. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm just finishing writing it, but like I know it's right.
So
I
it's
want only problems like this. This is all I'll accept.
and and someone else is saying, "What's that? Did we learn this?
Wait,
This
I have a question.
weird."
Did you miss a carbon? Because I
Let
have
me
another.
see. One, two. Yes, I did. One, two, three. I
I was gonna
intentionally
say,
made it three,
no
and
M.
then I hope you don't do that tomorrow.
Didn't. I just wanted to make sure because I'm trying my best to count my carbons.
Please do. And then I'm gonna give you this molecule. This one. And we're going to start with H2Cr2O7. And then I'll give you H3O plus and heat. Let's start there. Halfway what I want to test you next.
Um, I did the first part. I don't know why I'm tripped up with the H3O plus and heat. Does it just get rid of the carboxylic acid?
Mm-hmm. This is
Yeah.
acetic ester synthesis, decarboxylation.
Okay. Wait, I think I did it because that OH goes to a carboxylic acid, and then the H3O plus just gets rid of it.
Yeah, you know how I said you rotate this thing, then you get the enol, right? You remember the mechanism, or you just remember the shortcut?
For like, what is it called?
Decarboxylation.
Oh wait, yeah, and CO2 leaves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you end up with cyclohexanone.
Okay. See, if I just like trust myself, like I'll be fine. Cause like
Thank
my
you. Thank you
instincts
for
are like
advising
good.
yourself.
And when I start to think, I'm like, I don't think that's right.
Yeah.
I'm so nervous. I like actually, I'm the least nervous for the multiple choice. I'm the most nervous for the naming. I haven't really did it like
you,
have I haven't done any naming because it's just like there's other things to work on than naming. Like I'll be fine. It's just he makes them so hard.
you're gonna be fine, and you're fine. Trust me.
I hope. I just like hope I sleep tonight. I did not sleep at all last night.
You did not sleep well last night?
No,
You
not
are
at
thinking
all.
about all this, or your brain was locked.
Yeah, I think because I was up studying not late, like it was literally only 9 o'clock. But I guess that was a little too late for me because my head was like racing. I
Because you
usually try
had
to
started
stop by like
early during the day, yeah.
yeah, and I don't know. I slept for like 5 hours and decided to wake up at 5 in the morning for whatever reason. All right, I did it. Yay, I did that.
Okay, the first
Thank
grenade.
God. Yeah, you have to use two. Do you have to use two equivalents on this because it's an ether?
Esther.
Esther, I do that every time. What is an ether?
COC.
Okay.
So we'll have our first CH3. Then the next grenade will give us the next CH3. And the tertiary alcohol.
Okay.
And you know, this one can do SN1, just to take it
Yeah.
back. And from here, you can do so many things. Let's say I put here, let's say instead of H2O plus, I said HCl. Then you know HCl will do both. However, I think it's best to practice first in the lab to do H2O plus, then do HCl for SN1. Just in case you decide to go that back. Now, let me finish with this one I kept for last.
I'm so nervous.
Sorry. I'll keep apologizing on behalf of my fellow Organians.
Let's just hope he's not like coming for us. I thought the last final was easy, so who knows?
If I were him, that's what I'll do. I will just hope that my students remember the easy reactions. So I'll make the exam quite familiar. Maybe most likely just a small modification of the recitation. Similar molecules, very close, maybe one carbon off, two carbons more.
This is a dumb question, but can I use that MAS on this?
Can you use what?
Is it the malonate
Oh yeah,
ester?
this is the malonic ester synthesis.
MES is what it is, not MAS.
Yeah, the one I asked you before on the carboxylic acid decarboxylation CO2, that was the acetic ester synthesis.
I see. So this one's gonna get a carboxylic acid as the thing.
Yeah, but I'll keep going as you know me.
Geez, you really did keep going.
I want to make sure I touch on most of these things, you know.
Can you go to the part where like the carboxylic acid forms so I know at least that's right? And then
Are you there yet?
yeah.
Oh, you're
I'm not
really
gonna lie,
using the shortcuts. Really using.
Yeah,
Are you misusing my shortcuts? I'll start charging you.
I love them.
I'll start charging you for misusing my shortcuts. So I know alpha will take, remember alpha, pinch yourself. Alpha, pinch yourself.
Yeah.
So ethyl, 1, 2. And this side should have been my carboxylic acid. So that one will get you from step 1 to step 5. You'll get there. Do you have a structure that looks similar like that?
Yeah.
You have a alpha carbon, you have 1, 2 stretching out, whether up or down, whichever way you drew it. You have the carboxyl, you have the CH2.
I might have missed a carbon, but that's
You
because
missed the alpha.
I wrote down the reaction wrong. That's why.
What? Okay, correct yourself, see if you can get where I am, because I think I'm right.
You are. This makes sense. And then the carboxylic acid will become a chlorine. And then that will just get an N with an ethyl group, right? Or an H2? Yeah. I just don't understand.
Wait.
Okay, I finished. I think I did it right.
Okay, so the next thing, as you said, if you do step 6, you make it more reactive. And then we can use our shortcut of HCl being lost, not water, because we don't have carboxyl. If you had a carboxylic acid with amine and heat, then we lose water. Here we're just losing HCl.
Yeah.
Otherwise it would
And
have been water being lost.
that it was in excess, so does it happen twice? Or does it
No, the other one is gonna remove, the other one helps to remove that hydrogen out. The other one
okay.
acts as a base, basically.
Okay.
And the test will tell you excess for that reason.
Yeah. Okay. I got
If they
that.
don't say excess, then they would say cold sodium hydroxide, or
Also,
or we'll say potassium carbonate. Those are the bases that are used to make sure that you're left with NH. Now you know, if you know MES, then you know AES.
yeah, that was
Just
easy.
pay attention on alpha carbon and
Yeah.
circle the things you added in your worksheet. You have enough time.
What I'm nervous about is literally just being able to recognize the new reagents. I feel like I don't know what any of them do. Like I did.
Which new reagents that you don't know we've not touched on?
Like it's like we've touched on all of them. It's just like what do they do in this situation that like I'm
You
nervous.
will know in the moment.
Yeah, because like when I do problems, like, I know what I'm looking at.
You will know. You will know in the moment. Your brain will surprise you. You will tell me.
I hope. Usually, I like to like recall the reagents like for no like just for fun to make sure I know them, and I can't do that right
It's
now.
usually good to recall reagents and what they do, but sometimes they can be mixed up with the starting material that they need to do something else, like H3O plus,
Yeah.
you know, or even Naomi. Naomi can do so many things. He can be SN2. He can be NAS.
Wait, and then with NAS, the one that goes through the benzyne, I'll know it's going to go through a benzyne because there's no electron withdrawing group, and I just
There
get it.
will be no NO2. So you'll have something like this, and you know that you're going to be given a strong base, whichever strong base for E2.
Okay, and then I'll just know. Like I know how to do the mechanism for the benzyne. It's just I'm concerned of wanting
So
to do it.
the nucleophile can go there. So just know here there's no strong electron withdrawing group. Then you know you need to show your two products, the para and the meta.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I wish I had like 2 more weeks to study for
No, I
this.
wish you don't have the 2 more weeks to study. I want you to
Really?
get done. Yeah.